Hello children, welcome back. Welcome back to Unit 5 Prose. Listen to my body. So children, in our last video, we have started this story but did not finish, isn't it? Today in this video, we are going to complete the story. Okay children, are you ready? Let's start. So till now, we have learned that in this story, we will learn about a girl. Okay, so the girl says that she is not going to school because it is a holiday. Again, she says that she is not going to watch TV. Why? Because there is no electricity. After that, she thinks that what is she going to do? At last, she says that okay, she will listen to her body. Okay, so for that, to listen to her body, she says that to listen to her body, she should be quiet, very quiet. Okay, if she would be quiet, then only she can listen to her own body. Understood, no? Okay. After that, she says that yes, now she can hear her breathe. When she kept quiet, then she could hear her breathe. After that, what happens? Let's see. After that, she breathes. Okay. When she breathes, what does she do? She breathe in, then breathe out. Breathe in, then breathe out. Okay. After that, she makes her breath noisier. The sound comes and again she makes her breath softer and the sound comes Got it? Okay. After that, she says that she can hear her heartbeat. What is the sound of her heartbeat? Dudum, dudum, dudum. Okay. After that, again she says that can she make her can she make her heart go faster or louder? After that, what she does? Let's see. Okay. Then she says that yes, she can make her heart go faster and louder by jumping up and down 20 times. Okay. Then she jumps. You can see in the picture, the girl is jumping, no? Yes. After jumping, she says that now see, her heart is beating faster. And what is the sound of her heart when it beats faster? Dudum, 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 dum. Okay. Then after that, she says that and if she put her fingers on her wrist, then she can hear her pulse. Yes, I told you, no? If you also want to feel your pulse, what you do? You put your fingers on your wrist. Then you can feel your pulse. So like this, the girl, what she does? She puts her fingers on her wrist. Then she can hear her pulse. Then at that time, this spider says, can fingers hear? Yes, can fingers hear? So children, we have read up to this in our last video. Now after that, what happens? Let us go and see in the next slide. So children, let us see what the girl do again. Okay, see, no school, no electricity. That's why she has nothing to do. So she is doing many things. Now what she does, let us see. And I can hear myself laughing. Ha 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 ha. Yes, after that she says that I can hear myself laughing and she laughs. Ha 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 ha. Again after that, what she does? And crying. Boo hoo. And after that, she cries. And what is the sound of crying? Boo hoo. And after that, again, what she does? She's clapping and clapping. Yes, after that, the girl claps. And what is the sound of the clapping? Tap tapa tap tapa. Okay. Yes, that means she's clapping. Yes. After that, what happens? Let's see. And most of all, I can hear my stomach rumbling. Yes, see, sound of the stomach. Yes, see, what is the sound of the stomach? Gudu 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 gudu. Okay, yes. Yes, children, see? Yes, whenever you feel hungry, okay, not only hungry, sometimes your stomach makes sounds, no? Yes, the same thing is happening with this girl. So, when she hears her stomach, then what is the sound coming? Gudu gudu gudu. Okay? Yes. After that, see? And saying, feed me, feed me. Feed means to give food. Okay? Yes, that means the stomach of this girl is asking food. Understood? That means the girl is feeling hungry. That's why her stomach is saying gudu gudu gudu. That means what? Feed me, feed me. Feed me means give me food, I am feeling hungry. Okay. Yes. After that, what happens? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, now as the girl is feeling hungry, now the girl says, and my nose can hear jalebis frying in mother's kitchen. Okay. Then the girl says that, yes, as I am feeling hungry now, my nose can hear jalebis frying in mother's kitchen. Nose can hear means nose can smell jalebis frying in her mother's kitchen. Okay, so the spider did not understand her. That's why the spider is asking, can noses hear? Okay, the spider says, can noses hear? But the girl wants to say that her nose can smell the jalebis frying in her mother's kitchen. After that, what happens? Let's see. It is fun listening to my body. Now say, the girl says this, yes, it is fun listening to my body. That means she is happy that she has listened to her body today because she can find out many sounds coming from her body. Isn't it? Just now we have seen many sounds. So after that, what she says, let's see. And now I want to hear my jaws chewing. Jaws means what? Upper jaw, lower jaw. That means your mouth chewing. Chewing means what? To eat food. Okay. Now what she is going to eat? She is going to eat jalebis, isn't it? That's why she says that now I want to hear my jaws chewing. Okay. And my stomach slurping. Yes, slurping. What is the meaning of slurping? See here. Slurping is a noisy sound that you can make when you drink something. Yes, you try it at home. You drink something, some noise will be coming out. That noise is called slurping. Okay. And my stomach slurping on mother's wonderful hot jalebis. Yes. At last she says that as I am feeling hungry, as my stomach is feeling hungry, now my stomach is ready to eat the mother's hot wonderful jalebis. Understood, no children? So this story is written by Noni. Okay. N-O-N-I. Noni. So children, in this story we have seen many sounds coming out from our body. Okay children, understood, no? Okay. So children, this much for today. We shall again meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.